Welcome. Today I'm going to help you install OpenGL with code blocks. So let's get started. So I have my installation folder where I have code blocks version 20 with MinGW. So it is 145 MB and FreeGlut installed. So there's no option of changing the variable path and all. It's easy. So basically I'm going to install code blocks first. There's a pop-up. As you can see, code blocks is getting installed. So next I agree. Default installation. Make sure that you have tick the checkboxes, all of the above, and wherever you want to install code blocks, install. So this is going to take some time. By then we'll go open FreeGlut. By the way, I'll give the link to download these both files in the description down below. So we're going to FreeGlut. Inside FreeGlut we have a folder bin. So mine is a 64-bit. So if yours is a 32-1, you can copy this. Get inside 64 FreeGlut. I'm going to copy this. Control C. Then we are going to this PC, C drive, and wherever Windows folder is, right click and paste it here. So I had already pasted it before, just to make sure this works. So replace the file in the given permission. So we're done. So once we are done, code blocks here is getting installed. So we have to wait till the code blocks get installed, then we are going to copy the include and lib files here. So now you can see the installation is complete and it's showing us we want to run code blocks now. So I click no here. Installation is complete. Next. So it's done. So once we have done finishing the installation of code blocks, go to FreeGlut. You can maybe make it a multi-tab. Okay, I'll open another explorer. So it's easy to copy files. This PC, you go to C drive, then program files, the plain one with not the other one with 86. So basically this one. Here we have a folder called code blocks. MinGW is installed here. So you will find FreeGlut here. While seeing these three folders, usually people mistake to copy this and paste it in this include folder. Include GL. There's a GL folder, but you do not have to paste the file here. Go to the 86 folder, which is here, and then go to include. You have a GL folder here. So copy the contents of this GL folder right here. I'll ask you permissions for pasting that. Okay, so we've done the GL part. Now the lib part. So mine is the 64. So go to the 86 folder. We have a lib here. So copy this. Control C, Control V, continue. Okay, this gets pasted here. So we're done with the FreeGlut part. Now back to the program files, code blocks, and the share folder. We have to get into the share folder. We have a code blocks here, and go to the template section. In this template section you will get sometimes it doesn't show you the extension. You go to your view, go to show, and click on file name extension. So it will give you the extensions here. Then go to glut.cbp. Okay, so open with notepad. Go to the edit section here. Edit, replace glut32 with FreeGlut. Press on replace all. So it's changed here. Okay. When you give Control S, it doesn't get saved. So okay, I'll show you how to save. Don't save this. Right click, go to properties, go to security and edit. So press full control, apply, full control, apply, and the users. Just make sure you're giving permission to all the users to edit the file. So given OK, OK. So now you can maybe open with Notepad. Go to edit section, replace glut32 with FreeGlut, replace all, and press on Control S. Okay, so the star is gone, so it's saved. So basically we have edited the glut.cbp file. Now we have another last step to do. Now that, come back to the code blocks folder, go to the share code blocks, and in this go to templates again, then wizard. So get into the wizard folder, you will get a glut folder here. Open that. You have a wizard.script, so maybe go to the properties first to edit it. So go to edit section, allow, apply. The same thing you have done for the other one. Yeah, apply. So okay, so now once we have given all the permission, open with notepad. The same thing, go to edit, replace all glut32 with free glut, replace all. Once replacement is done, you'll find a star, that means you haven't saved. So once you save wizard.script, you're done with the installation. Okay, so now glut is installed, you have code blocks logo here. So I'm going to run code blocks, then go to create new project, glut project here, go next, give some title, path title, project title hi, and maybe give it a path. So go to your documents, give a new folder called OpenGL. So I've given this folder OpenGL, select this folder. So now your project will get saved in OpenGL folder. Give next and select glut location. So click on three dots, it will be different for you. So go to your code blocks, go to your C drive, then program files, code blocks, min.gw, then x86 underscore 64, this folder. Click on select folder. So this is your glut location, then click next, finish. So basically your project starts. So go to your main.cpp. I'm using a Windows, so I have to add a header file, include windows.h. Yeah, so I've included windows.h. I control S, build, no errors, no warnings, then run. Yeah, so now you have your glut installed. I hope this has helped you. Thank you for watching.